There are multiple reasons why I tend to find myself continually returning to the great state of Vermont, and fortunately enough, I don't have to say anything to explain. I want to thank you so much for allowing me to stay here. Your home is fantastic. Kitty cat is delicious. She likes to play all night long. Mr. Kitty, how do you feel about the camera? Have you ever had a cat push on your face for hours at night at 4 in the morning? The most welcome of welcomes. A cat nuzzling on you incessantly. Doesn't get much tastier than that. I had a fantastic time last night out in Somerville, the Armory.
The Armory.
On the stage.
Today, playing at Alio Hall at St. Michael's College. Tonight, we're playing at the Radio Bean. It's just good to be back in the state. Oh, man. Look at that. What's up? Oh.